Today we're here with SuperCap pouring about 14,000 feet at Good Sam Hospital in Downers Grove, Illinois. SuperCap as a delivery system is truly an amazing system.
And it really is amazing technology as far as how it works, what it does, what it brings to the construction industry is revolutionary.
It allows us to come into an area, give a customer a good flat floor at a reasonable cost, and do it with that condensed construction schedule. I think it's speed of the project and the quality that they're actually getting. Every healthcare job, every hospital we get on has a condensed schedule. What we're trying to do is always meet a schedule that seems to be impossible on the front end. With SuperCap, it allows us to come in, we can do complete floors at a time. The general contractor can give us the floor, we'll come in, finish the floor, other trades can come in right on top of it. We've got a nice smooth finish, they have something to work over. Previously, on other projects where we've worked with pods, every level is different, but the pods always have to be set at the exact same level. So therefore, when we come in with SuperCap, we can actually set those levels, every one exact, prior to that pod actually coming in. Therefore, the pod is set and finished flooring can go in and we can get within a fraction of an inch of where we actually need to be. And moving ahead, I think you're going to see a lot more of the pods being used in much bigger ways, as I think we're going to start finding a lot more uses for SuperCap's go early methods.
When we looked at it, we thought the technology was revolutionary. It could fix a lot of the problems that we have within our industry and that our general contractors have. So it provided a lot of solutions, even to questions that nobody was looking at, that everybody had accepted it as a fact of life, that the floors were going to have to be fixed afterwards. So this was revolutionary in the fact that we could fix things that people didn't even know were truly a problem, that we could eliminate this problem. When you look at any new type of technology, people actually need to see and feel it. So this allows everybody to see and feel it. Once they actually start seeing it in the industry, I believe it's a self-fulfilling prophecy as far as the efficiency and everything else. It becomes an obvious choice for everybody.